It is time for our Merry March Madness Tara's must-have. We have patterns you haven't seen, patterns you usually see in the fall. We have them now. We are celebrating our March Madness here at Temptations, where we have two must-haves, and we have amazing patterns, and you're gonna absolutely love them all. Let's talk Fallfetti, let's talk Pumpkin Patch, let's talk Whimsy, let's talk about our covered, I love these, pedestal bowls. Absolutely beautiful. This is our Fallfetti pattern. This is actually all those autumnal colors. Even though we call it Fallfetti, if you love that like reds and greens and all of those beautiful yellows, this is the pattern for you. Look how beautiful, hand painted on the inside as well as the outside, pedestals there on the bottom, absolutely stunning. So you get all four in your Fallfetti. Look at our beautiful pumpkin patch. I have to say, one of my absolute favorite patterns, that beautiful pumpkin patch that you see here. You have that gorgeous handle right here. It's all figural, it's all individually hand painted. And look at the pedestal. We can actually even get a little closer so you can see the pedestal as it sits right here on the bottom, and then all of those individually hand-painted pumpkins that you see there. All right, so that's gonna be our pumpkin patch. Then don't forget about our whimsy characters wrapped in those beautiful vintage lights. You're gonna get 4 different colors, the blue, the green, the red, and the yellow. You don't choose, but the patterns are all the same. You have our gumdrop, our gingerbread. We have our Mr. Bo Jingles, our snowman. Of course, we couldn't forget our reindeer Wimbley, and last but not least, Penny, our penguin. We have our sweet little cardinal on the inside, which I do in honor of my dad. These are so adorable, and the finial on top is a little light bulb. So each one artistically done, individually hand-painted, and all the different things that you can do with it. Take a peek at this wheel of food, right? A day in the life of our pedestal bowls. I want to show you this down here in front, so just pull back just a smidge because I want you to see that we have, of course, a beautiful chicken pot pie where we did our gorgeous crust right here on the outside, and I love cooking with stoneware because the heat hugs your food. Cold salads in here, little individual desserts, whether it be ice cream, a hot dessert, or a cold dessert. Remember, Temptations is going to keep cold things colder longer. Hello, breakfast. How about doing your own cinnamon bun right inside here, or an individual cake that you've made? Maybe some fruit salad. I love even takeout looks great in these when you need something. And then don't forget, it's our favorite Temptations. BRB, I'm gonna run over to the oven really quick while you look at the wheel of food. I did a beautiful individual mac and cheese, and wait till you see this. Let me spin my wheel of food. There it is, coming out of the oven at 500 degrees, and I literally can pull it right away from the sides, naturally nonstick, ooey gooey, perfectly cooked. Look at that cheese and the steam pulling right away from the sides. This is what we love about Temptations. That's just one of the must-haves that we have included in the set. Let me slide this over because I want to share with you the second must-have. You guys, this is so much fun. You're going to love these. Okay, so let's talk about the choices. You're going to get either a set of 3 of what we call our holiday. They have our adorable scenes on them. They're ornaments, they're lit, 18 hours on, 6 hours off. And then, of course, I said that backwards. Forgive me, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. That would be a long battery life. But what I love about it is that you can set them ahead of time. They're on timers with that beautiful red ribbon that you can obviously hang on your Christmas tree lit, or you can use these around the house, on your sideboards, your mantles, put them on some of our flowers and flames. Adorable. Then, of course, we did our whimsy characters where we have our snowman, we have our reindeer, and we have our sweet little gingerbread. And yes, it goes 360 degrees all the way around. So stinking cute. And then those were your ornament edition. How about just your lit edition? Seems silly to make these into ornaments, so I just made these beautiful pumpkin shapes, all lit, where we have Frankie, Little Mummy, and of course, we have our sweet little ghost, Marshmallow. They're beautifully lit, all individually hand-painted all the way around with that beautiful glow that you see there. Absolutely stunning. These are so fun to decorate all over the house. These are fun for the house and the tree as well. And then don't forget, of course, back to the basics with Temptations, prepping, cooking, serving, storing, all in this beautiful stoneware. This is March Madness. This is how Temptations celebrates March Madness. And this is why, of course, we made it a Tara's must-have. where you can pick between two of our must-haves, our soup bowls or our pedestal bowls. And of course, don't miss out on these awesome ornaments and pre-lit characters that you can put all around your home. All right, everybody, where can you find it? I'm glad you asked. Head over to temp-tations.com and check out how Temp-Tations celebrates March Madness. It's our merry March Madness.